Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And yes, we are back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers. And you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new, you're probably going to want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video. And me, I like to keep it consistent around here. So please do me a favor, hit that little notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. What's up guys? How's everyone doing? Happy Saturday. I hope everyone's having a great start, great weekend. But today guys, we are here to take a look at these Air Jordan 1 UNC toes. Now, I did the unboxing. If you haven't seen that, but you probably not gonna wanna. But if you haven't seen that video, just click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that video. But once you're done with that, make sure you come back here because we got a review and an on foot today. But as I said before, I'll say it again: the Air Jordan 1 UNC toe. Now, the Jordan 1, man, if this would have dropped in, say, 2017, 19, forget about it. This thing would probably be going for like $550 plus. But it has not. It has dropped in 2023. It's actually, it actually hasn't even released yet. Releases on the 22nd of this month. But I actually hit them on the shock drop. I did not hit them in my size, but these are big enough to do a review and an on foot for you guys. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video for the on foot. First of all, we're going to take a look at the outsole as we usually do here on the channel. As you can see, we got the UNC Blue standard Air Jordan 1 outsole. If you don't know what a Jordan 1 outsole looks like, you must be living under a rock. I'm just kidding, guys. Alright guys, taking a look at the heel. We'll start off at the heel because this is where the leather is actually the best, I would say. The heel and also here at the collar. As you can see, we got the Wings logo there in black. Really, really nice material. Really dope. You got the black swoosh here. Also, the midfoot material, the midfoot leather too, really not that bad. I really like the sneaker. I can't say otherwise. It's an Air Jordan 1. I love me some Air Jordan 1s, man. Anyway, taking a look at the toe, as you can see, we got that UNC color, as you can see. Now, what I was talking about in the other video, they call Air Jordan 1 black toe. Now you see how they're calling these the UNC toe. You would kind of get mixed if you know what I'm talking about. If you're an OG sneakerhead, or you're a sneakerhead who has knowledge on the sneakers. Black toe is just called this portion because just this portion was black, and this, the inside color here would be white. So it's weird for me to call it a UNC toe. I don't know, it's just weird for me. If any of you guys feel the same, let me know down in the comment section. Moving up, we got the standard Air Jordan 1 nylon tongue. Also, you got the Nike Air in the UNC color as well. Also, we got a flat black lace that it comes with. Where we got it, here it is, it's right here. As you can see, it also comes with that UNC color flat lace. Really, really nice. Not bad. Now, these are retailing for $180. Taking a look at the inside of the shoe, as you can see, the sole is actually black with the baby blue there. I don't know if I like that too much. I really like the white sole. Even though I know the sole gets dirty, whatever, I still like it. Taking a look at the inside of the shoe, as you noticed, is basically what's going on the inside is going on the outside. Basically a replica of the outside of the shoe. Very dope material. Basically goes all around the shoe really, really nicely. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. But Are you guys planning on picking these up? I'd love to, hear your comments, your thoughts, your opinions on the shoe. But before we go, I wanted to mention also the sock liner is actually like I want to say almost like a satin. Really, really nice material, by the way. But guys, yeah, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Make sure you stay tuned for the end of the video because that's where the on foot portion of this video will begin. But like I said, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the Air Jordan 1 Unc Toe. And hopefully you guys hit on July 22nd on the Sneakers app. But guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly, truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.